Do you want to get more out of your cruise dining? If you want to make your dining experience on a cruise ship top notch, then keep watching because this video is for you. Hey fellow travelers, this is Norman Payne from Up and Away. Thank you for stopping into my channel and welcome back. Today I want to talk about the cruise dining experience. Don't you want to get more out of that experience? Well, I got some tips to help you elevate your cruise dining experience. If you take these tips, you will change the way you think about eating on a cruise ship. After these 13 tips, you will be fed, elevated, and you will have the tools to get more out of your dining experience while you're taking a cruise. Number one, this tip is pretty simple, but instead of ordering room service, get up, go down to the buffet, and get you a plate of food that you would like. It won't cost you a thing. Get you a plate, or maybe even two. Bring that back to your room to have you dining on your balcony. Now, if you don't have too many plates and things like that, of course, when you get finished, leave them outside your door, or just leave them on the desk so your steward can get them the next day. But this is a way for you to have a quiet, maybe intimate dinner on your balcony. Or if you go to the dining room and you don't eat all your food that evening, ask for leftovers and take those back to your room. Of course, you can't pop them in a microwave, you don't have that. But if there's some things that you can put in your refrigerator and have the next day, later that night while you're watching the stars from your balcony, bravo. Tip number two, they are blockbuster type of sales the first night of the cruise. Sometimes they sell the specialty dining at a discount. You have to find out about this and you have to get on it pretty quick. If you could get into guest services, you can ask them, what dining room are they having these discounts? This way you get to go to, say, a steakhouse for a discounted price as you would another night. So check with guest services and they'll be able to tell you which dining room has a special that night. Tip number three is the soft serve ice cream. Now you can elevate your dining experience along with your dessert experience by getting some soft serve next to, say, a piece of cake or something like that that you got from the buffet. So if you took your dessert as a leftover from the dining room, you can have that next to your soft serve ice cream. These ice cream stands are usually open 24/7, so you can always get ice cream. You just have to have that cake to put that soft serve ice cream next to. Tip number four. Tip number four is ask for and you may receive. So if it's something special you want in the dining room, then all you have to do is ask the maitres d'. Now, people ask for dietary things. It can go further than that. If you want a certain item, ask for it and see where it goes. A lot of times they try to accommodate. Definitely if it's the night before and they give you the same thing that you wanted because it tastes good. So you can ask for it twice. Have it one night, on the second night, ask for it again. They may be able to do it for you. Hack number five, bring some type of drink mixes. You can take a drink mix on board the ship. There's no problem with those powdered mixes. And add them to your water or add them to your other flavored drinks, say your tea. You can take the peach and add them to your tea and have peach tea. Or you can bring something and add to your lemonade or something that just goes with water. That way you can have something flavored without buying a soda package or something like that. Number six is get some of that sugary cereal in the morning and save it because you can have that on top of your soft serve ice cream. Say you're going to the movies or something like that, then take that cereal, dump it on top of that soft serve ice cream, bam, you have a different type of dessert for that night. Tip number 7, ask about secret breakfast spots. Now, a lot of ships have C-Day brunch, but they're also serving breakfast in some of the main restaurants. They don't advertise this that much. Go to guest services. Guest services may be able to tell you which dining rooms will have breakfast, and you can go there and have breakfast opposed to going to the buffet. Tip number 8, you can customize your dining experience if you just know what to do. If you have a group of people, you can all get a different appetizer and share them. That way you get to taste all of them. Just pass the plate around and let everybody take one off. Order 2, everybody gets to take 2 off. But try to share the appetizers, because there will be some that everybody wants, and then there will be some that people just want to try. You can share the appetizers. The same with entrees. If you think that all you want to do is taste a certain thing, get it and then share it. Ask them for another plate or another few plates and share those entrees with each other in case someone wants to try it later. Tip number 9, we're getting back to the dessert thing. So you can get some of those cookies they have on the buffet, crumble them up, put them in your ice cream, put a little milk in there, some quick stirring, you got you a milkshake. So go get some cookies, some brownies, crumble them up in your ice cream. It's a great treat. Tip number 10, something people don't know is those coffee shops that they have throughout the ship have those small desserts and pastries. Sometimes they don't cost you a thing. People walk past them thinking that they're going to be charged. They sell coffee. That's their thing, is to sell the coffee. But they have these other pastries that they may just give you. You gotta ask. Tip number 11, try to get a sneak peek on the menu from the dining room. Most of the time, it is already on the ship which nights they're going to have what. So you can pick and choose if you want to go to the dining room, because you might not want anything on that menu. Then again, you can go to that dining room and request something different. But they have a dining room menu. You can ask guest services and they can probably provide it. Number 12. Number 12 is watch out for pop-up dining experiences. What they are is they may announce that a certain dining room will be open at, say, lunchtime. But you got to find out about it. It's not something that you're going to find in their daily planner or anything like that. But you'll find that some dining rooms will be open for lunch. And that will be a chance for you to get a new dining experience, a sit-down lunch, not like the buffet. Tip number 13 is to request a special menu. Sometimes if you have a taste for Indian food, ask them for it. If you rather have Italian when they're not serving Italian, ask for it. You never know what you can get just by asking. With all of these tips, you can elevate your whole dining experience. Make it your own. You don't have to go and herd with the rest of the cattle. You can make it your own. You can request things that you like. You can request things because of dietary issues. You can request things just because it tastes good the day before. But don't be afraid to open your mouth, other than to put food in it, and ask somebody. There's a lot of different options out there on a cruise ship. They are full of food and they want to share that food with you. So there you have it. I've given you 13 tips to elevate your dining experience on your next cruise. Don't be afraid to ask. If you know some cruise dining hacks, let me know. Leave it in my comment. Also, like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Be sure that you share this video with all the cruisers that you know. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel today so you'll get more tips, hacks, news, and destinations. Be sure that you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. Well, until our paths cross again soon, I'll see you then. Peace.
Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman.